Indian singer-composer Zubin Garg's drowning last year in Singapore was accidental and there is no evidence of foul play, a coroner's inquiry has found. Indian singer's drowning was accidental, Singapore coroner. Zubin Garg died last September in Singapore, where he had gone to perform at a cultural festival. Indian singer-composer Zubin Garg's drowning last year in Singapore was accidental and there is no evidence of foul play, a coroner's inquiry has found. Garg, 52, died on 19 September after drowning in the sea off Singapore's coast. The inquiry report says he was intoxicated at the time of the incident. The singer's sudden death sparked anger and distress among millions of fans in his home state Assam and set off a wave of mourning. It also became a politically charged issue, with Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma calling it plain and simple murder. He hasn't offered any evidence to support his allegation, but 7 people arrested in connection with the case remain in custody. Police in Assam have charged 4 of them, including Garg's manager, with murder. All 7 have denied any wrongdoing. On Wednesday, Coroner Adam Nakhoda said that there was no reason to disagree with the Police Coast Guard's conclusion that there was no foul play and that Garg's death was simply due to an unfortunate and tragic accidental drowning. The singer had travelled to Singapore to perform at a program scheduled for 20th September. A day before that, he went out on a yacht with a group of people. During the outing, he entered the sea twice to swim. According to the coroner's report, Garg had consumed alcohol, which likely impaired his judgment, and he removed his life jacket during his first swim and did not wear it when he went into the water again. Others on the yacht noticed and immediately swam towards him, lifting his head above the water. The coroner found no evidence of any delay in administering first aid to Garg or taking him to a hospital. A forensic report cited in the inquiry says his alcohol levels were more than 4 times higher than the accepted limit for drink driving. Chief Minister Sarma has not reacted to the report yet. Garg was a cultural icon in Assam and sang in more than 40 languages and dialects in a career spanning 33 years. He was known for his powerful voice, moving easily between romantic ballads and more somber songs.
Don't belong here in her.